Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so I was going the wrong way. So on this one, we're gonna be changing out the grill on the OBS Chevy. And well, I already have it. I wanna go check it out. I had the intro made already, but the mic decided not to turn on, and well, there it goes. But let me show you how the grill, guys. There it is. And yes, it is aftermarket. I could not find a OEM grill, so I was like, screw it. So I went and got this one. And I do have the emblem already on it. As y'all can see, it's on there. Had some of these plastic retainers. They're like nuts that just screw on the plastic stud, and they make their own threads. So hopefully they'll hold. I'm pretty sure I'm probably gonna put some 3M tape or something. But time to get to work, guys. Gotta get this grill off once again. And I'm pretty sure the corner lights, they're not gonna fit, since that's a GMC grill and this Silverado, it goes all the way over here, and those don't. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to order some corner lights, but that's all right. So guys, let me put y'all down on this tripod, and we can get to taking this thing off, and let's see what it'll look like. So let's get to it, guys. the little retainers, clips, whatever you want to call them, of this one, because I need to use them for the bottom turn signal lens. But so far, that's what it's looking like, guys. What do y'all think? I know the headlights don't look too good, but I mean, in my opinion, it looks real good. Once it's all painted, it should look a little bit better. But you know, for now, it is what it is. So let me take those off, guys, and we'll put them back on the truck. So let me put y'all down and kind of pause y'all again. What do y'all think? In my opinion, it looks pretty good. But you know, that's just me. I know a lot of people don't like the paint match, but I think it looks pretty good. It's a little bit awkward holding it. Yep, there it is, guys. I think right now I'm just gonna go ahead and look for the little screw things, whatever they're called. There we go. And I still need to change this fender because it's still pretty messed up. Ah, came out again. But I think once I get the fender, it should line up a little bit better. I don't know, hopefully. And again, the grill is aftermarket, so it's not gonna fit perfect. But looks good enough to me. And I still gotta order the fog lights. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to pause y'all again, guys, because I want to make that trip to O'Reilly's. Hopefully they have them. If not, then I'll just order them, because I still have to order the corners too. So guys, I'm gonna pause y'all and I'm gonna get over there. Hopefully they have them. Alright guys, we are back at it. Got the little nuts, I guess. This is the ones I'm using. That's the part number right there. And hopefully they fit, because remember, this is an aftermarket grill and sometimes they're different sizes. So hopefully everything goes good. Let's see. Hopefully I can see it. It's all worn. There we go. Look at that. Nice and tight. I don't know if y'all can see this, but this one's going in sideways. That's because the mold of the grill isn't really into it so the holes don't match. So either you gotta make the holes on the grill bigger or make the holes on the headlights bigger, or you can do what I just did and make it go sideways, which you're really not supposed to do, but oh well. At least it'll hold them. So there we go, guys. That. Let's go. Yep. There it is. The other side, same thing. And you do have to buy 2 of these because they only have 6 in the pack. Alright, and there we go, guys. I don't know if y'all can see it, but all that cracking and stuff. I mean, I don't know if that's the lens or not. Nope. Well, yeah. Technically, yeah, it is. It's all cracked. That should come off with new headlights. So we're gonna get new headlights. But for now, this will do. And as you can see up here, gaps. I mean, aftermarket headlights. So yeah. But there we go, guys. She is done. Alright, guys, well, phone stopped recording, but it's all done, guys. Hopefully I can see it. Look at that. Now, I do need the corners. I'll probably order those on eBay, or, well, since I'm buying the headlights, then I mean, might as well. They come with everything either way, so yeah. But still need to get the hang of this thing, guys. But look at that, she looks really good. Look at that. Hopefully my wife likes it. I'm gonna go show it to your dad once she gets home. Look at that, guys. Still gotta paint it. I do have the paint. I bought it already. I just need to, I think, sand it down a little bit more because it's getting rust spots. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera, but it's starting to rust. And it does have like a bent corner right here. So gotta pick it up. And as you can see, it leaves the primer on my hands, but that'll be for another day. Right now, I'm gonna go get some breakfast because it's 4 o'clock and I haven't ate anything. So, yeah. But we knocked it out, guys. Maybe next time I'll get a OEM grill and I won't have to struggle like this. But I mean, for now, it looks pretty good. So, with that being said, guys, that's gonna be it for this one. Remember, like and subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Peace.